Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Metal Gamers. Today's video, I'm going to be playing Teardown, and I am Jordan, the lion, and okay, play. Oh, the sandbox, this one in challenges, expansions.
Have you ever played?
Nope, we're only trying all of them. So we're going to start with the campaign, because like, why not? Active mods! Who put those on? Did you, buddy? Level 27, that's wrong. Oh, maybe someone else did. Stuff. Oh, sorry guys if it's loud for you. Whoops! That never happened. Okay. Sorry if it's loud. I know it's loud. It's loud for me too. There. Is that better? Okay. Wow, we can hit stuff with this. This is cool. Can I lift weights? Oh, well, it's actually kind of heavy. Apparently I can't lift it. Apparently I'm weak. Whoa. To the first one. Okay, so what do we need to? What do we need here? I don't know who played this game before, but I don't know. It definitely wasn't me. The old building problem. Oh, this is cool. You can punch stuff. Oh, it's too tall. So I have to break it. Exactly. What do I... Oh my gosh. It's this. It's a destruction vehicle. Yes! Drop my vehicle. Break it. Come on. Do a stupid excavator thing. Bring it down. Slapping down on it. After I break this. Stop, Henry! Idiot! Oh! Oh no! Free! It's actually working so well. Did it! Ha! Yeah, escape vehicle. What is this? Oh my gosh, there was explosives the entire time. Well, that worked. I'm out of here. Yes! So good. Continue. Why are there mods? Next one. Okay, what is this? A favor? What is this? Elite computers? The League computers? What is the League computers? Or the map? So I have to break all of them. Okay. So there's 3 of them. So there's one in this building over here. Whoa, I have stuff to use! Blowtorch, shotgun. Nice. Oh. Got it. So easy. There's more than one to do though for some reason. Oh! Wait. Let me in! Yes! Haha. Where is it? Wait, it's here. Easy. Building is in. This one. This one right here. Right there. So good at parkour. Oh! How do you get up there? Got an idea. This is what you do. You go up here. Wait, sorry. You go down here. You go up here. You go like this. And you go up. So smart. Strike with a shotgun. Always is a shotgun. I'm out of here. Whoa, this one also works, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm out of here. Okay, that's enough for camping. You're gone. Main menu. That's enough for campaign today. Now there's also sandbox. Huh.
Wait!
This is the one I was in. No. Wait, this one actually seems really cool.
Told you!
This looks really cool. Villa Gordon. It's the dumbest name ever. Huh.
Look at the house!
Oh my gosh, a racetrack. I need a car. I need a car. Gotta find. Car! How do I get over there? What? Blowtorch. Beautiful. Gotta reset. I'm out of here today. Whoa, this car is fast. Here we go. Track record what? Stop! No! Ah! Rip! Oh no! Redemption! Ah! Crazy trip! Oh! Oh no. So bad. Dyson! No! Ah! What? Oh, I cheated. I have to find a better car. This car sucks. This car's too fast. Find a better car. Let me in. Where am I supposed to find a better car around here? And this, oh, yes! It's a better car. The best car ever! This car's not so fast. I think I'll beat my record. I'm pretty sure my record's like 48 seconds. Record's 48 seconds. Go! Come on, car, go! Crazy! car's so dumb! But I like it this time. No! I think I'm still beating my record. Ah! 40 seconds. 40.3. Yes! Oh no! Look at my car. What's up? Any other cars that are actually good? Oh, come on. No limited ammo. Are there any cars that are actually better? You can spawn stuff. Gosh. Who installed all this stuff? Stupid vehicles? Yes, I need a race car. I need a race car in my life. Why does it look so, why is it stupid? It's just blue. Finally, this is what I'm talking about. Better not be too fast. What? This car's fast. What? What? Oh my god, I hate this car. That's pretty tough. Go! We're good. Oh no! I paused it! Come on. Cheat. It's so hard to work! Put one more. A train. Yes, this one I'm gonna race it. Can you drive the train? You can't drive the train? Oh my gosh. Vehicles. About a random one. A G-Bus. No, I'm not driving this. A Hyper V2. Here we go. Ow! Okay, and that's it. I'm done. Okay, other one. No, not sandbox. Challenges. Let's go back into this one. What do? Pick up as many targets as possible and get to the escape part before the time runs out. What? Where are they? We're in pretty much every building. Where's my escape car? Right there? Pretty sure I have target up there. Made it. Oh! Dude! Next building, next one! Where is it? Right there. This building. Upstairs! Come on, open up! This one. Oh my gosh, go. Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Go! I made it! Yep, that's hard. That's it. We're doing a different one. Expansion. Sure. Campaign. What does this mean? What do I do? Active mods. Why are there always active mods? But you can turn on mods. That's what we're gonna do after this. Come on, load, you idiot! Oh, I hate myself. What is taking this game so long? Yes. I don't know. Fire Ruin Art Validus. Art Validus. Okay, whatever.
Randall, don't you know to read?
Soda. Oh my gosh. Huh? 6. Got a telephone. I got a minigun, and I got this. Okay, I don't know why I got those. Huh? Did you go down? Stop! Idiot. Hi, Freya. Can you clean up the tools in the showroom before you go do your paper? What? XOXO. Ew! Crunchy Gory has a mess when he gets home. Where is the stage? 6. Whoa. Set on fire. Shut up!
Athletic.
Yeah, come to him. It's the dumbest thing ever. Where's the showroom? Is there a showroom? It's the dumbest thing ever. This is the dumbest thing ever. I'm installing more mods.
Hey! Stupid dog, follow me. Shut up. I need to try.
So I ever hear that. Survive the shark. What is this? An American high school electric pack destructible.
School? Who goes to school? Only if you're
Exactly.
kid.
What do we mean survive the shark? I don't know.
Only past school. It's like, yeah. Don't do the high
I'm turning on this. In this. And this. Just in case we need them. Play! Survive the shark! The everything revolver with an 8. Barely dysfunctional. Warning. Oh my gosh. I'm in the water. Is there a shark in the water? What am I doing in the water? LTS? Oh, what? Sharks. I don't see a shark. This is so dumb. Where's a shark that everybody's talking about? So this is so weird. There's no shark. Okay, there's no shark. That's for sure. Even if there is a shark, I got a lightning gun. Boat! That's it. You're coming. Now we got a boat. What kind of boat is this? The dumbest mod ever. That's it. I'm going to break a school. Breaking a school. Let me in the American school. Yes. Huh? What is this? Play.
Oh my gosh, break it up! This elephant is so annoying. Get her on. Money, get off of me!
This is taking so long. I hate when things take a long time to load.
Tackling Henry. Whatever. So mean. I feel like I'm dead. Bored. I feel so.
It's taking so long.
So bored.
Shut up, Henry! I don't care that you're bored. Why do you always complain? Good. Wait. A school. Time to go break it. Whoa, this is a cool gun. Take this. What? Hold it a world. Not even a revolver. Henry's getting beat up by a girl.
Shut up, she's an elephant. You get beat up, you're lying.
But she's not.
Stronger than most.
She's not hurting me.
Well, she would.
She won't. She's not.
Why are you so mean?
What kind of school is this? Are we explosives in the school? Okay, it's not. I thought it was explosive. Whoa. Huh. What? There's something computers here. Guys, we've never missed any computers at school. It's normally an exam or something. Well, guys, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. So we gotta do something for the end. It's like bombs or something. Here's something else. Oh, guys, I have an idea. I saw something a little bit ago that I think I know perfectly for the video. Let me out. You missed the wrong person, okay? Guys, this is the perfect way to end off the video. Planes. The Spitfire. Get ready. Have your minds blown. 1, 2, 3. Get ready for takeoff. Full thrust up to the sky. Flying over the football field. Drill. Jen. Overspeed. Slow down. Brake. Okay. Stay good. Our knots are fine. Let's try to make a safe landing in the parking lot. Slow down. Oh no! Plane's going down. Well, that's it for this video. Goodbye. I'll try to figure out how to ride a plane later.